Sora is shutting down this month, so I've tested several other AI video generators to find the best Sora replacement specifically for creating social media reels. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. If you want to stay on top of the latest ways to make money and engage audiences using social media, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So, today we're going to test 2 AI video prompts across 4 different platforms to see which is the best for creating social media reels. So you don't have to read these whole prompts, but the first one basically has an old man sitting in a rocking chair on a porch, and we give him an exact quote to say. So this tests the ability to create humans, human voices, and to match text exactly. And then the second one is a wildlife reel, so a photorealistic video of a hippopotamus. So I'm going to test these 2 out across 4 AI video platforms and see which makes the best videos. And then once we've compared the videos, we'll talk about pricing and subscription plans. So let's get into it. We're going to start with Sora. Obviously, Sora is shutting down, but just for the comparison, and so we have the baseline of what I've been using versus what our future options are. So in Sora is very easy to use. So you just paste your prompt here, and then you select the model, the orientation. So we use portrait for reels. It doesn't come out exactly 9:16, so we have to crop those later. The duration, I do 10 seconds, and then the videos, we just do 1 video at a time typically, but you can do 2 or 3 if you want more options. So to save time, I've already put these prompts in, and let's see how Sora did. So turn the volume on, and we'll start with that first video.
The best mornings are spent outside, with no rush to go anywhere.
So I'd give this a B+. It got the text exactly right. It got the scene exactly right. His mouth was not quite moving with the text. With Sora, I'd say 1 out of 2 times you can do this. If you do 2 generations, it usually gets it right. But overall, a B, this reel would work for a social media reel. And here's the hippopotamus reel. The quality looks great. It looks super realistic. It does exactly what I told it to do. The only downside here, I would say, is the noise. This is something I found Sora does a lot with particularly wildlife videos. When you want natural noises, it puts in like really kind of white noise into it that's pretty annoying. So again, I give this a B. The sound is not perfect, but the video quality is great. Could definitely use this for a reel. So now let's look at the next option. So the next option is Google's AI, which is currently VO 3.1. Now, one of the most frustrating things about using Google AI is that they have a trillion different platforms in which you can create their videos. So even deciding on the correct platform is kind of annoying. So we're in Flow today. So this is one, it's recommended. You can use the VOAI. One of the reasons we do this is because you can actually do the 9:16 ratio when you're just in the regular Gemini app. You cannot create those portrait style videos. So to create this, it's very similar to Sora. You select you want a video, you select the ratio, you select how many videos you want, and then you also select the model. So there's a fast model and a quality model. I use the fast model for these generations, and it's going to be lower quality, but realistically, when we talk about pricing and plans, the fast model is the only one that's realistic to create at scale. You might be able to use the quality sometimes, but you're only going to be able to make a couple hundred videos at max per month using that model. So let's look at the videos.
The best mornings are spent outside, with no rush to go anywhere. The best morning.
So that's the first video talking. It got the text right. His lips were moving. The scene was right. I could customize this, but I give it an A. It was great quality. Now let's look at the hippo. The hippo, also great quality, super realistic. The sound was much better than Sora. So overall, I would rate these videos higher quality than Sora. However, there's one major downside we have to address here. And that is that these reels, you can see they're exactly 8 seconds long. And that is the maximum length for these VO 3.1 videos. Now, if you're like me and you're in the Facebook content monetization program, reels have to be at least 10 seconds in order to be monetized. So for that reason alone, Google does not work if you're a creator in the content monetization program unless you want to create multiple videos and paste them together, which just makes the workflow a lot more time consuming. So if you're willing to put in that time to create longer videos, or if you're running a business where you're not in content monetization, you just want to engage the audience and these short 8-second reels work for you, then this is a great option. But that time differential is something that's super important to note with Google. So next we have Kling AI. That's Kling with a K. So again, I put the prompt in. We see very similar options. So you can select the pixels, the length, which you can go up to 15 seconds. So that is comparable to Sora, that you can create videos up to 15 seconds. You can select the ratio, 9:16, and the number of outputs. So let's look at the first video.
The best mornings are spent outside with no rush to go anywhere.
So I would give this a B. The video did what I asked for. I would say the voice is maybe a little slightly more unnatural than what I saw with the Sora and Google AIs. It's just a little more, the cadence is less natural. But overall, it would work. And we can, put in some prompts and edit this. So, I think it's definitely passable. And the fact that it's long enough gives it a prompt up over Google. And now let's generate the hippo one. Cut and start. So you can hear it sounds great. It looks realistic. I'd say this is very comparable to Sora, but the sound quality was even better and more in line with what I requested. So overall, I'd give this an A-. I'd say the voice and human was not quite as good as Sora, but the wildlife actually performed better. And so now we're going to go to our last platform that we're testing today, which is Runway. So Runway, I've already generated these videos. You can see it's a little bit different. You have to have a starting image. So it asks you for a start frame, which you can either generate or upload. So in this case, I generated them using the same AI platform. Using this Runway platform, I generated an image to use as the start frame. And then you can select the ratio. So 9:16, you have to crop that start image to match. And then you can put in the prompt. I had to take a little bit of detail out because there's 1,000 character max here. And then the time. So you can set the time for 5 or 10 seconds. So no 15 option, but you do have the option for 10 seconds. And then again, you can select the model. We're using the Gen 4 Turbo. They also have the Google VO model integrated here, but of course you'll have a maximum of 8 seconds if you do that. So if you're going to do that, I'd probably go ahead and just use Google's platform themselves. So we're testing the Gen 4 Turbo, the Runway model itself. And I've already created these videos, so we can go over and see how they did. So the video of the wise old man sitting in the rocking chair, I tried this multiple times and I got an error. It wouldn't tell me why it wouldn't do this. So I think it might be outside of its capabilities. So now let's try the hippo. And this hippo video looks pretty good. You'll hear there's no sound. And I did put sound in there, so I'm not sure why that happened. But there's no sound, and it doesn't quite match what I asked for. The water draining out of the hippo's mouth is, I'm not sure if that's quite realistic. But again, this could be a passable AI video to use as a background, as a reel. Certainly if you're creating background videos and putting quotes over top, you could certainly create usable videos from this platform. So now that we've compared the quality, let's get into the pricing. So for Sora, just for reference, I was paying $200 per month for a Pro Chat GPT plan, and this includes 100 video gens per day. So that allows me to create 100 10-second videos, or about 3,000 videos per month. But of course, you have to do them daily. You can't do all 3,000 in one day. Now, using Google, again, their pricing wasn't super straightforward, but to create AI videos at any kind of scale beyond more than a couple of hundred per month, you're going to want to use the AI Ultra plan. So they're running a special on this for it's $124.99 for 3 months, but it's really $249 per month. So a little bit more expensive than Sora. And creating videos in Flow using the fast version of VO 3.1, this will allow you to create up to 2,500 8-second videos per month. So it's a little bit more expensive than Sora was, and you can create fewer videos. The quality is good, but again, we have that big caveat that the duration can only be 8 seconds. Next, Kling. Kling has plans ranging from $10 to $180 per month. Again, they're running specials, but the retail price is $180 per month for that top Ultra plan. That Ultra plan includes 26,000 credits, which they are saying gets you 1,300 videos per month. So fewer videos, but also slightly cheaper than Sora was, and you can always buy more credits. And then finally, Runway. So it has an unlimited plan, which if billed monthly is at $95 per month, and this is unlimited. So it includes 2,250 credits each month, and so those are your credits that you can use to do fast, high quality videos that are generated fast. Then you had unlimited generations in their Explore mode, which basically means that they can throttle the speed when the site traffic is high. So once you've used your credits, the video generations may take a really long time. So technically unlimited, cheaper than Sora, but there are some caveats to that, and depending on how long it takes the videos to actually generate, it may or may not be truly unlimited. So, which AI video generator is the best replacement for Sora? So for generating social media reels, I'm going to switch to Kling. It's got a comparable price, slightly cheaper than Sora. It does a good job at different type of videos, and I think I can make these videos even better, once I change from just using prompts that I made for Sora to customizing my prompts for this platform. Now, the caveat there is, again, the time issue is a big issue for me. Being able to create longer videos in that 10-15 second range is very important for my businesses. If 8-second videos are sufficient for your businesses, then I think the Google may be slightly higher quality. It is also a little bit more expensive, but that may be another one to consider. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.